Hello creative people, my name's Bev G Star and today I'm going to teach you, or at least show you, how I've made previously a star made out of sticks. Okay, so I needed a star for a project that I've got coming up. So, first things you will need is some sticks. You will need 5. I've chosen some willow sticks to use. I've pre-cut these ones and I'm just going to cut this one to show you how I do it. So next thing I'm going to do is some pinking shears or some shears just to take away and measure the size of your sticks. Okay, once that's done, discard that, pop that to the side. Next thing you will need is some craft wire and you will need some scissors. Scissors to cut the craft wire. So if you cut beforehand about 10 centimetres worth of craft wire, you'll need about 10 to 20 of these. So that is all the tools that you're going to need. So first step you need to do after cutting your sticks into size is to lay a star shape down in front of you. Okay, so I'm just going to do a traditional crossover star here, just like so. I'm going to lay them down just like that. Overlap a couple if you feel like you need to. Next thing I'm going to do is get my craft wire and I'm going to start securing the sticks together. So popping the craft wire underneath the sticks, crossing it over, giving it a bit of a twist, just like so. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to tighten these as far as they go. I'm just going to leave the wire strands like that, just so if I come back and I can manoeuvre the shape. Okay, so my next one is really this simple to make a star. Now I'm going to be making these stars and I'm going to be adding some macrame and some lights to these eventually, but what I wanted to do today is just a short quick tutorial of how I'm going to make these stars, so when I come to the projects in future they will be very easy. Okay, and we'll be ready to go. So cross in and just, the star may find its shape again after you've jiggled it about a little bit, so it will come away from each other until you secure it. So I start by securing the middles and doing the points last, just because I found that's the most easiest thing for me to do. These ones I've made previously, they were my first ones. So, and the other thing I did was cut my wire to hand first, because I knew that it takes a while and it's a little bit fidgety and a little bit fiddly to have those wires uncut. Okay, so just twist all those wires round and then you're near enough ready to attach the points together. Again, same way, just pop your wire underneath the 2 twigs that are crossing, bring your wire up, cross it over, give it a twist, and what we'll do is afterwards we'll just go around and we'll just tie those on a little bit more. Okay, here's my craft wire. Again, go into the points. It will wiggle out of place sometimes, but don't worry, bear with it. It's something that we can come back and work with. So this is willow that was donated for me from a good friend. So if you have any other sticks, twigs in the garden, they will be just as good. So you will need exact 10 pieces, but it's good just to cut a few extra because sometimes the wire doesn't take just because it's a little bit fiddly. So like I said, bear with it. Other things today I wanted to talk about. So today I'm promoting my YouTube channel. I am new to the world of broadcasting my arts and crafts on to YouTube, so if you can give me a subscribe, help a girl out, I'd really appreciate it. I hope that my video editing and video skills and presenting these arts and crafts will get better as I go. So bear with me. Okay, I've just got one more to secure over here. Using my wire, popping it under my 2 twigs, bringing it up, crossing it over and twisting them together. If you haven't got craft wire, you can always use twine or string with this. Okay, and there we go. We have a star. Okay, I'm just going to go over and tidy these ends up and tuck these wires in. And I've just missed one here, so I'm going to add a little bit of... You can do this really big. And ladies and gentlemen, there is a quick tutorial on how to build a star from twigs for future projects, okay? So stay with me and subscribe, because you'll see what I'm going to be doing with this star next. You can use them at Easter, you can use them at Christmas, you can use them just to decorate your home. The children can make them, and it's a really exciting thing to do. So there we go, there's our star. I'm going to put it up here on the wall with the rest of them. I believe that's all, but like I said, give me a subscribe, give me a follow. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Bev G Star. I hope your day's pleasant. Peace.